In this video, I'll be showing you how to make organic shampoo for massive hair growth and for anti-dandruff. Stay tuned and keep watching. The first item I'll be using is dudu osun herbal soap. This soap is good for face and for hair. I'll use it as my base before adding any other ingredients. And I'm going to use half of this soap. Using half depends the quantity of shampoo you want to produce. For me, I want to produce a small quantity. Now is to pieces the soap for easy dissolving. You can as well pound it if you wish. I'm putting it in a bowl to pour in my hot water. I allow it to settle for some minutes before covering it to melt properly. The second item I'll be using is this item. I'll be using ginger and cloves and garlic. So I'm going to be using this quantity 2 pieces of ginger and this quantity of garlic with cloves. If you're not familiar with these ingredients, they add nutrients to the hair for hair growth. Now I've peeled it off and I'm going to get the juice from the ginger and garlic, then pound the cloves. These are the pounded ginger and garlic, of which I'll be getting the juice from it. And these are the pounded cloves, of which I'll be adding into the mixture. Okay, I've gotten the juice of ginger and garlic. This is raw ginger juice and garlic juice. So I'll be putting it in the mixture. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of shea butter. I melted the shea butter, so that's why it's looking like this. You can add any oil you wish to add. I also decided to add this oil from Oriflame to make the hair shiny. This one is absolutely optional. I didn't want this ginger water to completely be away, so I'm still pouring in some of the water. This is not the raw juice, it's just like this squeezed out water. So this is squeezed out water. Next, I'm adding my honey. I'll be adding 2 spoons of honey. We all know what honey does to hair. It promotes the hair and it also makes the hair shiny. So I'm adding this honey and I continue stirring to help the mixture melt properly. Now, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button to be part of this amazing family. So this is and it's now good to go. The one in the bowl, I'm still going to be adding it into this container. I didn't want to do it in this video because this will be messy. The shampoo is ready. See you in my next video.